Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to the Alexander Building Company Subcontractor Appreciation. Please welcome Steve Lee for the opening remarks.
Good afternoon, everyone. I want to just start by welcoming everyone and thank you all for attending our annual Subcontractor Appreciation event. This year is obviously going to feel a little bit different since we can't be together. We can't see each other. Well, I guess you guys can actually see us. We can't see you. And simply having the opportunity to mingle with all of our partners. And I'm sure we're all getting tired of being glued to these screens and virtual meetings and other events. So we really do appreciate everybody taking the time to be part of this today. For those of you that I have not met before, my name is Steve Lee. I'm the Senior Director of South Central Pennsylvania. And I'm also the Enterprise Director of Strategic Initiatives for Alexander and also our sister companies, Alvin H. Butz up in Allentown and Shoemaker down in the Philadelphia region. This event is incredibly important to our company and we look forward to it every year. This is our way of honoring our trades partners, as you guys all play a very significant role in the success of our projects. This year's event is even more important as so many businesses were affected by this pandemic. As an enterprise, we were incredibly fortunate as we had 90% of our projects continue during all of this. This means we were able to do our own part in helping to keep all of us working. Thank you all for your efforts as we maneuvered the many changes and implemented the many new safety precautions due to COVID-19. We're proud that we've had very few cases on all of our sites, and this is only a testament to all of the hard work that you've all put forth. There's been a tremendous effort put forth by everybody. Everyone has stepped up and helped to keep our people safe, our projects continuing, and our clients happy. For that, we want to sincerely thank all of you. As we go through the event today, if anybody wants to make a comment or a shout out, feel free. The comment button at the bottom of the screen, you can have a shout out or a comment throughout the entire presentation. So now I'm going to turn it over to Jeff Smith, the General Manager of the Harrisburg office.
Hey, thank you, Steve, and good afternoon, everyone. Nice to see all the participants. Looks like we're up to over 85 participants now, so that is fantastic. I also want to personally thank each and every one of you and your employees for all that you do and for being here today so that we can show our appreciation for your hard work and loyalty to us. I want to start off by sharing a little bit about this awards program. We've been giving out Subcontractor of the Year awards since 2010. In 2013, we added 3 additional categories to our program to further acknowledge the great work of and all that you do on our projects. This year, we actually added a 6th award in the category of innovation, which we'll describe in more detail here in a few moments. Our process for choosing the award nominations relies on Alexander employees completing nomination forms and voting on all of the categories. Our management team then does the final tally, verifying that each nominee is indeed worthy of the award. Each awardee is chosen by your colleagues on the job site. So it's tremendous peer recognition and certainly shows the value of teamwork and collaboration for sure. So without further ado, let's get started with the first award, fittingly, the award for safety. Please welcome our first award presenter, Chris Miller, Site Safety Coordinator.
Each year, Alexander Building Company recognizes partners who have surpassed all expectations in adherence, compliance, and responsiveness to our safety standards and programs. MC Dean has a clear and evident corporate commitment to safety and has set an exceptional example of what is achievable with a strong safety culture. This culture is particularly evident when considering the level of planning, resources, and personnel they committed to using a 900-ton mobile crane to pick and set our 150,000-pound rooftop electrical rooms. I, Chris Miller, on behalf of Alexander Building Company, am proud to present MC Dean with the Subcontractor of the Year Award in Safety.
I, Michael Williams, on-site safety professional for MC Dean, proudly accept this award on behalf of MC Dean. We want to thank Alexander Building Corporation for recognizing the commitment that MC Dean has to safety.
Okay. Thank you, Chris, and congratulations to you, Michael, and the entire team at MC Dean. Well done. Here to present our next award for Outstanding Field Person is Senior Project Manager Dan Flickinger.
This year, the outstanding field person is going to a gentleman that could have earned this award since late 2018. The recipient of this award has demonstrated superior field leadership skills in helping us achieve our objective of completing projects of the highest quality in the shortest time and within budget. He also carries qualities such as a great knowledge of his trade, responsiveness to tasks and activities, teamwork, safety, and dedication to the overall project. In addition to the above attributes, this year's winner has demonstrated qualities such as pre-construction leadership, recognition of potential problems long before they surfaced as problems, and the motivation to do whatever was necessary to assure the overall success of the team. This person is able to sit at a 2-hour meeting with the senior leadership of the project or put on his hard hat, grab his tools and equipment, and help move the project forward. This person has willingly accepted new and unfamiliar challenges, such as being part of a team that is making a presentation at a national conference this fall, and approached them with eagerness and enthusiasm. On a personal note, this person has invested the time and effort into getting to know me and the rest of my colleagues while working on the Hamden Medical Center project, and I'm proud to have him working alongside of me in our field office. This year's outstanding field person goes to Chris Byrode with Liberty Excavators.
Hi, Chris Byrode with Liberty Excavators. Been with Liberty for 13 years now, and I have the privilege of working here with Alexander at the Penn State Hampton Medical Center. New hospital coming aboard, and just a great project. Met a lot of goals and exceeded a lot of goals here at this project. Alexander just celebrated 500,000 man hours, no major injuries, so privilege and a blessing coming to work every day with Alexander. Just a great people, great environment, and this award comes easy whenever you get to work with people like that. Thank you.
Wow, Chris, I don't know how much you had to give Dan to say so many nice things about you, but it must have been quite a lot. In all seriousness, Chris, congratulations. Definitely an award well deserved. Our next award is new to the program. Please welcome Charles Thiemann, Senior Project Manager, who will present the Innovation Award.
Good afternoon. I'm Charles Thiemann, Senior Project Manager in Alexander's Harrisburg office, and I will be presenting this year's Innovation Award. This award is given to a firm or individual who has embraced the utilization of new technology and/or lean methodologies. Lean methodologies are implemented to create an environment of continuous improvement. Areas of improvement include reducing wasteful practices and creating continuous workflows driven to improve predictability that reduces change orders and schedule delays, all of which are achieved by developing respect for each party involved. The award recipient will also have shown superior effort in teamwork, collaboration, and communication. Other characteristics may include demonstrating the adoption of integrated project delivery processes that lead to higher quality, lower cost projects. This year's recipient worked with the Alexander, Canon Design, Wish-Janie Elster, and Wellspan teams to pioneer a new system of exterior building prefabrication. By leveraging previously proven technologies and incorporating newly available materials, they were able to create an exterior wall panel new to our market. These panels contain the full exterior system: metal stud backup wall, sheathing, insulation, air vapor barrier, brick and metal cladding, and arrived pre-glazed, even with no broken windows after the trip from Pittsburgh. Additionally, the panels have improved thermal performance and greater rigidity than the previous systems, all while meeting the owner's consultants' strict air vapor barrier expectations and maintaining the previous price point. The use of these panels allowed for an expedited enclosure of the building perimeter and reduced congestion by limiting the amount of material, equipment, and manpower required to be on the exterior periphery of the building. All of this continued to elevate the project team's status as innovators and leaders to not only our owner, but other prospective clients. It is my pleasure to present the inaugural Innovation Award to Wyatt Incorporated. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Mitch, for having us on here. And we are very proud to be a part of the Alexander team. And we were happy that we could add some innovative ideas to a spectacular building. The WellSpan project was a great project. I think we closed in the building with windows and panels in 17 days. We were just happy to show you guys what we can do. We appreciate the opportunity.
Thanks, Charlie, and congratulations to Fred and the team at Wyatt. It really is a great looking building and amazing how fast it went together. Now I would like to recognize the Outstanding Feat Award. Please welcome Chris Stout, Project Manager.
The Outstanding Feat Award is given in recognition of the firm that exceeds all expectations in the execution and completion of a specific task. Installation of the historic Marriott Foundation building's cedar roof required ingenuity, anticipation, diligence, and innovation, all requisite traits of this award. The roughly 85 square cedar roof was replaced in kind and required hand nailing each individual cedar shingle. In addition to working on an iconic PSU landmark, challenges presented included a unique radius end of the building, multiple dormers, a 612 pitch, and finding a zinc interlayer that was compatible with the fire retardant shingles. Overseen by project managers Bill Beard and Lytle Sweely, this firm's team excelled in overcoming these challenges while navigating the unprecedented hurdles presented by the COVID-19 shutdown. The 2020 recipient of the Outstanding Feat Award is RH Marcon.
I'm pleased and honored to accept this award on behalf of RH Marcon, Inc. and all of our outstanding employees, and in particular, the employees who worked on the Marriott project at Penn State and helped make it a great success. RH Marcon, Inc. greatly values its partnership with Alexander and appreciates the opportunity to work on many projects with Alexander throughout the central Pennsylvania region.
Okay, thank you, Chris, and congrats to Paul and the gang at Marcon. You guys really do make it look easy, that's for sure. And now, Mike Screechy, Senior Project Manager, will present the State College Subcontractor of the Year Award.
This year, Stuart Amos Steel demonstrated incredible performance not only as a subcontractor, but as a design assist partner on multiple Alexander projects. My personal experience working with them as the structure and miscellaneous steel design assist partner on the Penn State Health and Medical Center was very positive. Stuart Amos consistently demonstrated their speed, technical ability, flexibility, and commitment to the goals of both the project and the success of Alexander Building Construction as a whole. Their attributes as a DA partner and ability to work directly with the structural engineers on the design side were crucial in accomplishing our very aggressive schedule milestones. I'd like to personally thank the president of Stuart Amos, Mark Henry, and Kurt Ziegler in Estimation, the rest of the Stuart Amos team for their awesome efforts this year, and offer my congratulations for receiving this well-deserved award of Subcontractor of the Year. Great job, guys.
On behalf of the Stuart Amos team, we'd like to thank Alexander for this award. We do feel very honored and appreciated in receiving this award. Alexander's probably the best GC to work with by far, and as I said before, we feel honored and we're thankful.
Okay, well, everything almost went as scripted. That was obviously the Harrisburg Subcontractor of the Year award. So thanks to Dan and congratulations to Mark and your team. Next, we will have Mike Screechy, Senior Project Manager, present the State College Subcontractor of the Year award.
The Subcontractor of the Year award for the State College region is given to a firm that demonstrates exemplary performance throughout the year on projects managed by Alexander. The award recipient will have excelled in quality, craftsmanship, teamwork, responsiveness, timeliness, and safety. Because much of Alexander's reputation is predicated upon the exceptional performance of our subcontractors, this award is the most prestigious of those that we give. Over the past year, this award recipient has been a partner with Alexander on multiple projects, including the Penn State Oak Marriott Renewal, Penn State Beaver Stadium Yearly Maintenance, and Canon Instrument Research and Development Expansion. On each of these projects, this contractor has performed at a high level in terms of both field craftsmanship and project management and administration. The safety culture instilled in individuals throughout all levels of the organization is very evident through their planning and commitment to safe work practices. With multiple projects being administered in a design assist fashion, this contractor continues to embrace the concepts of a collaborative team environment and acts as a true partner at all stages of the project. This year's award recipient has been cooperative, responsive, and always willing to meet our needs and the requests of the owner. In light of their performance and commitment to the success of our projects, I'm proud to present the award of Subcontractor of the Year to McClure Company.
First of all, I'd like to thank Alexander for this award. McClure Company has been a proud partner with Alexander for several years on the Penn State University on the design assist capacity. We appreciate everything that Alexander does, starting first with safety. Especially at this time with the COVID-19 going on. Alexander helped us keep all of our employees safe and all contractors safe each and every day. I would especially like to thank the Marriott team that I worked with. They helped us, through some tough building conditions, very tight, very hard, spaces to get through and getting things coordinated. Again, McClure is, honored to team up with a firm like Alexander and look forward to work in the future. Thank you.
We appreciate the opportunity to work with Alexander Building Construction on Penn State University projects over the years. We're humbled to receive this award and we thank them for the opportunity. In particular, the Beaver Stadium projects, which can be very difficult at times, but we've completed a number of projects there on time and in a safe manner. And again, we appreciate this award and thank you for the opportunity.
Very impressive for sure. Congrats to Chris, Mike, and the team at McClure, and thank you for your continued partnership. I'm now going to turn it over to Doug Workman, General Manager of the State College office, to close things out.
Thanks, Jeff. Well, that concludes another awards program. Congratulations to all of our winners, and another big thank you to all of our subcontractors. Much of Alexander's reputation is predicated upon the exceptional performance of our subcontractors. We pride ourselves on repeat business stemming from valued relationships that we have with trusted clients. As a result, we often find ourselves managing some extremely challenging projects. Your role is integral to our success. Hopefully next year, we can see you all again in person, but for now, thank you for attending today and keep up the outstanding work.